Oh my gosh, I'm scared. It just doesn't feel right because I've never spoken to a vlogging camera in English. So many of you have actually asked me to do vlogs in English or just like makeup tutorials or anything in English, I guess. I wasn't born in the US, you know, English isn't my first language. I can speak English, but I know I have an accent. I know my English isn't 100% perfect, and neither is my Spanish. Like, honestly, I know that some people might relate to me. And when you live in the US and you speak both languages, your head just messes with you. You know what I mean? So yeah, basically my Spanish is not perfect. My English is not perfect. So I guess I can't really speak any languages. So anyways, I'm just gonna recap my morning. So this morning I woke up, I did a home workout with my sister. After that, I took my dogs out. Then I went to the car wash. And for some reason, going to the car wash is one of the things that I hate the most. Like, being a car owner means that you actually have to go to the car wash, and that is a little annoying, but it's okay. You know, I'm grateful to have a car. At least I don't ever have to go to a gas station because it is an electric car, so that's actually a really good thing about owning a Tesla. And then after that, I got breakfast with my dad. I ate a burrito, which I'm not gonna lie, like, it wasn't a bad burrito, but I couldn't taste anything other than chicken. I prefer an egg burrito. Then after I got breakfast, you know, I tried to drive home. But if you guys own a Tesla, or if you guys know this about Teslas, to open your Tesla, you basically use the app on your phone, or you can also use like the key that they give you, but I guess it's just more convenient to use your phone as a key because then you don't have to carry the actual key. Basically, the app was down and I couldn't open my car, so yeah, the app isn't working. So basically, to open this car you need to use the app, and it's not working. So great, I will be stranded right here. But it's okay because then my dad was also there and I just drove home with him. I picked up the keys and then we went back to get my car so that I could actually drive home. Then we came home. I was on the computer with my dad for a while, you know, just looking at some stuff, you know. Right now I got ready and I'm gonna go visit my friends. For some reason I actually just wanted to film my very first video in English with them because, you know, I have them to back me up if I mess up. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go visit them. We're gonna go have lunch, coffee. For my outfit, I'm wearing this that I actually thrifted. It's a polo shirt, and then this is from Bershka. My biker shorts are from Lululemon, and I think I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones, and yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with my friends. Okay, I guess I'll see you guys there. Say hi. Hi. I want to show you guys. The wall matches our top. That's so cute.
Oh my god, it does match.
It's the same color. We love that for you.
Hola.
No, this is my first vlog in English. Oh. Hi. Say hi.
I'm so white.
It is Olivia. Hi. She's doing a group meeting. Let's show them your guys' dorm.
This is the front door of me and Nicole's dorm.
We love that. Okay.
So then we come over here. So we're fat.
Okay, show the snacks.
So we
the snack bar.
Snacks. So we got some cornflakes, Nutella, goldfish. We're a little low on stock right now. We got some green tea because I was trying to be healthy, you know.
I know, I saw that.
You know,
I was like, since
healthy,
when do they drink tea?
Trader Joe's snacks, salt and vinegar, trash can from Walmart. This is my side.
We love it.
Everything there. I'm a very colorful person.
Wait, let's look at the pictures you have in here.
Oh yeah, look at the pictures. Obviously, look at the superstar Paola right there.
This is from prom.
So here's prom before coronavirus happened. I know, honestly, we popped off our prom and we didn't even know it was gonna be our last one, so glad we went.
Yep.
And then we have my Hello Kitty painting that I painted because
this is really cute.
And then
this makes me feel like an actual owner. Anyways.
Then this is my jewelry. And then my prized possession is up here. All my stuffed animals.
That's so many.
No, this is my favorite. Wait, give me the hippo.
Get it, get it.
Tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen.
Kayla has an obsession with stuffed animals. Like, she gets a new one every week.
I know, this is my favorite.
We love that.
Throw them up there. Then we got our little coffee station.
They're already decorated for Halloween.
Then we have our Keurig, our fridge.
Wait, let's see what's in the fridge.
Oh. waffles, and then fried rice from Trader Joe's.
College life be like.
And then down here, energy drink. We have some fruit, our Brita, yogurt, got lemonade, some old raspberry.
Everything's from Trader Joe's.
Basically.
Look at the cute, what are they?
Succulents
they have. Then let's show Nicole's side of the room.
So we have Olivia there doing her Zoom.
Nicole is ready for Halloween.
Exactly.
And then the best part, the view. Ta-da!
Literally just like watching you guys in the background, like I turned off my video.
Okay, good. And then this is us, guys.
We love Paola. Look at this thrifted shirt.
I know.
We love a sustainable queen. We have the bathroom where maybe
I forgot.
Peed. Paola and I just peed in here. Not in this room, but then we have all pink accessories. In this room.
We love this.
Yes.
And then the bathroom. Bathroom tour.
So we don't have a shower curtain because we're broke, but yeah.
Wait, what is this? I thought it was...
It's a shower. No, I tried to clean the bathroom, but it was so disgusting from the last people who lived here, so I really tried.
This is what college life in the US looks like.
Yay! Oh my god, we should do like a segment.
Is there good lighting right there?
Yeah, there is good segment. I mean, yeah, there is good lighting.
Wait, seriously?
We should do a segment. We should do like a how we met each other.
No, I was actually gonna tell them how we met.
How we it's so funny.
We all met in middle school.
Yeah, we all met. So it was crazy because Bob was friends with my twin.
Yeah,
and then I stole her away.
Not really. I guess we just clicked.
Yeah, I went to Paula's pool party because like
I had no friends.
You know how us Mexicans are, somos muy fiesteros. So we invite the whole family. So I went and me and Paula just clicked, and then I was friends with Nicole, and then I just like brought us into the group together, and now we're all one happy family.
So we've known each other for like 5 years now, I guess, but we've only been friends for like what, 4 years?
Yeah,
I guess. Yeah. But they've known each other since
3rd grade.
Yeah, but I only came here in like
7th grade, right?
Yeah. So yeah.
I'm
so lucky.
I'm so happy that Paola dropped out of private school and went to public school. Private school. Who's skirts? Uniform. My college sees this, they're like,
oops.
Oopsie.
We're hungry and we're just waiting on Olivia to finish her meeting so that we can get food.
Paula, let me film an OTD of your outfit since everybody loves Paula's outfit.
I already have a picture with this outfit on Instagram.
So we got the fit in the bathroom for today. So and look at this.
The shoes.
Yes, the shoes, Nike Air Forces. Got the biker shorts, Lululemon, of course.
Then this is from Bershka, and then this is from...
I feel like it's such a cute outfit that anybody can recreate too.
Yeah, it's good for when you go out to eat, because you know the food baby, you can like hide it.
Exactly. Period queen. Yes.
Hey guys, fun fact. The guy that works in the coffee place has a crush on Nicole, and he always gives her free coffee.
We didn't get free coffee.
And they follow each other on Instagram.
So thumbs up this video if you think Nicole should hit him up.
I mean, she always gets free coffee.
1K likes, and then we post the screenshot.
You know where it's gonna get to 1,000 likes. Oh. Hey guys, we're shopping. Yay. There's Olivia in the back.
Why is this actually cute for American Eagle? If you guys ever wonder what Paola looks like driving, there you go. Oh shit, Paola almost crashed right now, so don't mind that.
I just got too close to the
curb?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry guys.
Okay, bye. So excited.
Yeah. We all get the same sushi, by the way. It's always the same sushi.
What are you?
The view at night is so cute. Can it focus? It's not focusing. I'm sorry, vlog, it's not focusing. Oh, oh, this looks really cool. We found a place to film an outro. Okay.
I wasn't really in the vlog today.
She had a Zoom. Wait, I cannot say that word.
Zoom.
A meeting. She had a Zoom. She had a meeting today, so she was really stressed out. I don't know, I feel like it's been a pretty long day, you know? I've done so much. It was fun, you know?
If you guys want to see my dorm, tell her, because I said I want to show my dorm and she was like,
I went to her dorm like last weekend and now I'm here with my
other dorm friends.
Yeah. You guys know what I mean.
So if you want to see my dorm,
comment down below.
Comment in Sao Paulo. Dorm tour, yay! It looks like an apartment.
But it's not. But anyways, I really hope that this is long enough, because if not, I'm just gonna have to like continue this without them. I feel like longer vlogs are more interesting to watch.
I feel like this is long enough, so.
And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was my very first vlog in English. It's honestly really scary because I know my English isn't good. I mean, it's good, but I feel like it could be better. It could be better, you know.
Your English is perfect.
I know people are not gonna say anything mean about my English.
Guys, I need to learn Spanish. I try.
Because people are mean, like sometimes they'll leave comments like, oh, why is she mixing Spanish and English? Like, I bet she doesn't even know how to speak English.
You live in the United States.
I know.
She does know English, everyone. PSA, she knows English. I'm her English friend.
Yeah, and by the way, Olivia's not Mexican, she's Italian.
Yes, we just look alike for some reason.
Yeah, I feel like Italians and Mexicans have like
similar.
Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Ok, estoy editando este video y solamente les quiero decir que no se preocupen. Los vlogs y los videos en español nunca van a acabar, porque obviamente yo soy orgullosamente mexicana y el hecho de que yo viva en Estados Unidos no me hace sentir menos mexicana ni nada. Pero muchas personas me habían pedido que hiciera videos en inglés y pues sí, o sea, si yo puedo hacer videos en español y en inglés, ¿por qué no voy a tomar esa oportunidad? Y sí, o sea, solamente quiero que sepan que a mí nunca se me va a olvidar de dónde vengo. Yo soy mexicana antes que nada. O sea, no se preocupen, yo no los voy a descuidar a ustedes porque ya estoy muy encariñada con la audiencia que tengo. Y sí, o sea, solamente les quería decir eso. Entonces no se preocupen, los videos en español no van a acabar. Esto solamente fue un pequeño experimento. Y sí, espero que les haya gustado. Como siempre, no olviden de suscribirse o de seguirme en mis redes sociales. Y nos vemos en el próximo video. Los quiero. Bye.